Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is January 11 and the time is around 4 a.m. GMT. And today we're going to be looking at the chart of gold. This is a 45 minutes chart here. Now we can see we ended with 2 in the minute degree at 1796 and now rallying to finish with 3 in which with 3 subdivides into another 5 ways, 1 2, and this is the minuet degree here, 1 2 3 4, and then now looking for with 5 higher. And once this is completed, we will get another 3s pullback in the wave 4 and then higher again to finish with 5, and then that will end with 1, okay, in the minor degree here. So a couple of things here. So the idea is if you look at the shorter cycle, then as long as this level 1796 is holding, we should continue to see more upside. And if there is any pullback in the between, the pullback will continue to find support in the shorter cycle and continue to extend on the upside. All right. Now, as to the slightly larger degree time frame, if we zoom out a little bit, and we're gonna take a look at this with 2 and 1 and 3 and 4 and a 5. So I'm gonna place 2 3 4 5 here in the 4-hour time frame, which is this location here, 2 3 4. All right, which is the same 2 3 4. Now all the full labels in the 4-hour as well as higher time frame, if you want to see, you can check our service. We have 14 days trial and the link is in the description of the video. And we don't just cover gold, we cover a lot of other commodities, indices, stocks, and forex as well. Okay, so if this is 3 4 and 2, then we can sort of conclude this has to be in the 1. Okay, and there is what looks like some sort of a diagonal here, the rally that ended with 1 here. So what we're seeing here is we're looking for a 5-ways rally, right? We're looking for a 5-ways rally that should be ending with 1, as the 1-hour time frame here suggests. That should be ending with 1 right here. And once this with 1 is finished, the cycle that is finished is this entire cycle from November. Okay, so once we finish this with 1, that should be ending the cycle from November 23rd. And then of course, as you know, once we have 5 ways up, we need to have a 3 waves correction, right? So then we should be looking for a 3 waves correction. Once that is complete, something like this can happen right, in the form of an ABC. Then after that, as long as it stays above November, and we can continue to go higher again. So we can continue to go higher again after that, and this could be ending you with 2. We can extend higher again. Okay, so that's kind of the idea here, guys, with the with the gold. Okay, and shorter cycle though, we should be looking for the upside. It's pretty simple in the shorter cycle, and then once we finish again, we should be getting a bit bigger pullback, but then that pullback also will continue to find support and go higher again against November 23rd 2022. All right, so I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.